Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use for my everyday. And this is last week's spread where I used these love blooms from According to Ali along with her hexagon washi. Oh, love it. Ooh, and the alcohol ink as well. It's just a very, very pretty spread. This week, for the kind of transition from February to March, I'm going to be using the Juno supplement page as well as the date covers, which I probably won't use in this spread, but in a different spread, and the washi, along with some anemones from According to Ali. So this is from Let's Planet, and this is from According to Ali. Wow, I'm having trouble speaking. All right, let's get started. It's like, you know, it's Friday when I can barely speak. So I want to place this up at the top here. Now I know it's going to be too big, so I'm gonna just line it up. And when I purchased this, I knew it wasn't necessarily made for the HOBONICHI cousin, but I found that I wasn't really using the full HOBONICHI kits. Let's see if I cut that straight. I wasn't using the full HOBONICHI kits, and I wanted to see how I could kind of mix up what I was using, that I could still have some deco without wasting a ton of stickers. So I really love the washi from Let's Planet and the supplement pages too. So I'm really bad at guessing where to cut or even doing a full cut. Ah, look at that. I'm just checking I'm still in frame because I am guilty of not always being in frame. Then what I'm going to do is down at the bottom, which I don't normally do this, but this is where I will just go ahead and place BLE. Yeah. Place this for the meals down here. Normally I do it with a Tombow dual brush pen, but I thought, well, since I have this, I might as well use it. And I honestly don't mind cutting stickers down. You guys know me if you've been around my channel long enough and seen me through the days of a mini happy planner and going to a big. Like, you guys know I will use any size sticker in any planner. It's just me. All right. So next thing is I want to, I need to find the pink Tombow dual brush pen. There it is. So that I can do the sleep down the side. But I also want to put down one of Ali's florals in the corner. And these are florals that I'll probably use in my daily spreads as well. And I think what I'm going to do is actually film how I do my daily spreads for the week. Okay, so too many stickers. So I'm going to do a combination of this, which I did not put down straight at all. This, a little higher up, and this. Oh, I like that already. So the sidebar I use for my sleep score, so keeping track of my sleep score and how many hours I sleep, as well as my workouts for the week. So I go in with my Tombow dual brush pen, and the one that I'm using is 772. And then with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, just write in the word sleep. And then choose a really cute Coffee Monsters emoji, because emojis just make everything better. And then I draw in the graph, and I only really count the hours of between 4 and 9. So 4 hours and 9 hours of sleep, and then write down the days of the week. And I get the sleep score from my Fitbit. Then the next thing is writing out my workouts for the week. So again, using my Tombow Fudenosuke to brush letter in workout. And then it can't be complete without a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji. And then I just write in what workouts I'm scheduled to do each day. And these workouts are from Beachbody, and this particular workout is called Lift 4. Perfect. And while I'm down here, I'm going to go ahead and write in breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the bottom using my Pilot vanishing point with the Pilot Iroshizuku Sutsuji ink. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to move this up here, and then I'm actually going to go ahead and write in my work schedule. I actually draw in the line using my fountain pen, and then I go in with my Tombow dual brush pen to highlight the actual days, and then also use my Tombow Fudenosuke pen to brush letter in the word work. Now I'm debating whether or not to put emojis on here, but I think I'm just going to leave it for now. And then what I think I'm going to do is add in the appointments that I know that I'm going to, or not the appointments, the things that I know I have to do. So I'm actually going to go ahead with my Tombow Fudenosuke for my to-do list on Monday. And that's the day I normally meal plan and order groceries. And then we pick them up on the Thursday. And I say we, but that's my husband. Tuesday is garbage day. No, it's not. Tuesday night is when my husband puts the garbages out. Wednesday morning is when it's picked up. So I'm going to take a cute Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, and then just write in garbage.
Whoa, that was totally not in frame. I apologize. Zoom out a little bit.
And on Wednesday, Lucy has a very important vet appointment. She is actually going to be spayed that day. So first thing in the morning, taking her to the vet, and I'm going to use a really cute sticker from Let's Plan It. And then Thursday and Friday is actually teachers convention for the kids, so I'm going to take a Coffee Monsters emoji that just says no school to remind me that they get to be at home with me both days. On Friday, I actually have the day off from work, so I'm going to use this cute sticker from Be Do & Co. I love her little corgi stickers. They're adorable. Then Friday afternoons are normally the day that I film my video, so I'm going to take a cute Coffee Monsters Co. emoji and then write in that I have to film in the afternoon. I feel like I'm forgetting other stuff, but yes. So Thursday, I mentioned this already, Thursday is the day that my husband picks up the groceries, so he will do that. I feel like I am forgetting something, but I have no idea what that is. I filled everything up there. So I'm actually going to take one. These are my functionals from my Hearts collection. So I'm actually going to take one of the pink flags, place it on, oops, yeah, here. Henry has wall climbing between 8:30 and 10, but then also my husband has a job fair he'd like to go to, so I'm going to write that in as well. And then Saturday is normally the day that I do laundry because I'm just so cool that way, you know, Saturday night. What else would I be doing on a Saturday night? So I'm taking this cute Paper Bits Co. bear and placing it on Saturday to be able to, or for folding laundry. Then Sunday is our cleaning day, and I'm taking another Paper Bits Co. sticker. I love this one because it looks like me. She's absolutely adorable. And then I'm going to go ahead and write in all of the cleaning tasks we have for that day. And then I'm going to add like a little something down here because I feel like it really needs a little bit more decoration. And there's lots of washi here, but I think what I'm going to use is this right here, because if anything has to go on top of it, I can always just use a box. And then I'm gonna place, oh, do I wanna use a floral though? I don't necessarily, because there's one there. Oh, I kinda wanna save a floral. Yeah, so I'm gonna use one of these pink ones and use a little bit of this washi and just kinda, just combine it in some sort of way. Go. Just a little something to add to this corner. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out here. All right, so far I absolutely love that. I know it looks really plain, but before the pen, which is technically not before the pen, but I mean kind of before the week actually happens, the spread is pretty plain. And then once it's actually filled in, it looks more like this. Filled in with life. And for some people this looks cluttered, but you know what? I absolutely love it because I can just refer to Monday and be like, oh, my husband and I started watching My Father's Violin, and then on Tuesday we watched Wine Country. I had time to read. It's just, it makes the spread fun yet functional. Oh, you put the fun in functional. Yes, I know that's corny. All right, but anyway, I do love it. It always starts off, it looks very simple, but as the week goes on, it does get better. What I'm planning on doing actually is I'm going to film how I fill this in as well as how I fill in my daily spreads for the week, so you guys can see how I use the leftover pieces of the Juno supplemental along with the dates and the washi, and again with the anemones from According to Allie. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.